the some word problem. So I hope that on the basis of that you can able to understand today also. Now in every problem there is a word of at least, right? Or we can say they are asking the common number which is least, right? And which would be the factor of all the given numbers. So you know that when we have to find the at least one common factor, least common factor, that means it is LCM. Now in this question number 28 also, they have asked you three measuring rods are 45, 50 and 75 centimeters. So what is the least length of a rope? Suppose I am taking one rope. So what is the least length of this rope? Least length of this rope means what is the minimum length of this rope that can measure each rod, right? That will not short to measure each rod, right? So for that we have to find the LCM, right? So I have taken 45, 50 and 75, right? So here which number we will take as a divisor, right? So we'll start from 2. So 2 will not divide, at least 2 dividend should be there to divide by divisor. So 2 will not divide because only one number is even. After that 3, yes, 3 divide, 4 plus 5 9 and 7 plus 5 12. So 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 1, 1 and 5, 3 5s are 15, right? Now 50 as it is, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 1 and 15, 3 5s are 15. This division should be very careful, students. If you are not able to do directly, then you can do division by side. But now solving too many problems, so many of you are able to do directly. Now again we will take, yes, 3, is it possible? No, only 15 will be divisible by 3. So I will take 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 and 50 is as it is. Sorry, 50 is 10, right? 5 ones are 5 and 0. After that again I will divide by 5. So 3 as it is, 5 2s are 10 and 5 ones are 5. Now I got 3 2 1, right? So now no divisor can divide at least two numbers, right? So either you can divide or otherwise you can round up them, right? All of them you can take by like this because all are prime numbers. So our aim is to find the prime factors to find the LCM. So I will find LCM. So 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. So what is the multiplication of this? 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75 and 3 2s are 6. So 75 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 remaining, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 4, 45. So it is 450. And what is the unit? Don't forget to write the unit, centimeter. Now in the question they have mentioned that each of 3 rods, but in bracket they have written in meters, so we have to convert it into meters. So how we will convert in meter? Small to big, divide. So 450, 1 meter is equal to 100, 100, right? Cancel. And you know that when there we are dividing by 10 to any number, whole number, then point will shift from right to left equal to number of zeros, means the number of zeros is equal to the shifting of points from right to left. So I have shifted from beside of 5 to in between 4 and 5. So it is 4.5 meter. So what is the minimum length of this row? So 4.5 meter, right? Now in this question number 29, two electronic devices are there, device 1 and device 2. So both our devices have the beep alarm in there. That beep sound will will be after every different minutes, right? The timing of beeping is different. For device 1 it is 15 minutes, for device 2 it is 20 minutes. And together they beep at 6 a.m. Means at 6 a.m. they will both beep, right? Now we have to find at what time they will beep together after 6 a.m. So in this we have to find the least time, right, for both the devices beeping timing, so that they beep together. So there is only only to find the least common factor of their timing. So least common factor means LCM. So I will take here 15 and 20, right? So I am doing it by 5. So 5 3s are 15, then 5 4s are 20, right? After that you can do it 3 1s are 3 and 4, and after that 4 1s are 4. So the LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 4. So 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So unit is minutes. Now convert this 60 minutes into hour. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we have to add this 1 hour at 6 a.m. because at 6 a.m. they beep together. So 6 a.m. plus 1 hour. So it would be 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. they will beep together. They beep together at 7 a.m. So students, they are very very simple examples, right? Word problems. Just you have to find the LCM of that, write the proper units. If there is need of conversion, then convert at last. So I am giving you homework, that is question number 30, right? Question number 30 homework, and exercise 2F is self practice. So students, do the practice of this exercise and also solve this question number 30, and try to upload the photo. If some of you are facing the problem in uploading photos, then take the help of your seniors at home or senior students of our school. You can take the photo and upload through the Google Classroom, right? Thank you.